Okay, so this lecture is for receiving the data from microcontroller and display it to Python. Suppose the microcontroller is sending some data, and using that data you want to do some you want to make some graphical user interface so that you can see it. How to do that? Basically, this is not for the beginners who are already working with Python and microcontroller interface. So this is for those people. Okay. So here I am using Arduino. So let us see the code. So it's a very simple code. So this will give you the millisecond, and Y it will give that millisecond divided by 2000. So what I am displaying, that what I am sending to serial port is that Y and X, which is separated by a comma. So similarly, if you want having 100 numbers of data, you can send in this way by a comma separation. So let us see how it is coming in the serial port. Say it is coming like this. Whatever data is coming, it is divided by 2, and that is displayed in the as the first data, and the second data is the raw millisecond. Okay, it is in millisecond, 18 millisecond, 20 millisecond, like that it is coming. Okay. So now I will open the Python code. So this we are importing the serial. So how to install the PySerial for serial data communication, that is given in my channel in separate video. You can see that, and in the code you see here we are using 9600 as baud rate, and the COM port is 3. So that's why I have defined here like this, and these are the general syntax that you can see. And here I am using a while loop. If no data is coming, simply it will pass. Then I have defined the port as this. So now I am reading this port data as a line in a variable. Okay. Then I am converting, it will come as ASCII. So now I am converting it to another variable. The entire line is converted to string. Then that string is separated. The string is converting to this line is that string, that line, entire line string, it will be converted as array, where by the comma. The value which are separated by comma, it will be stored in a array called data. Then the first element I am storing it in another variable d1, but it is in string. But if you want to do some mathematical operation, it will be converted to integer or float or something, so that I am converting. Then I am dividing it by 1, simply, just if you want to do some mathematical operation. Then again for display I am converting this data to as string, and the second data, it is simply I am reading it and storing in a variable d2. Then I am displaying it. So that xy coordinate, everything, it is, you can see when it will be working. So this is the first data and this is the second data. So let us run it and see. So you see So once it is 4000, it will become 2. You see, once this will cross 6000, it will become 3, as we are dividing by 2. You see, so microcontroller, whatever the data it is sending, now we can read it, and this is the simple code for that. Okay, this is the simple code for that. So hope this will be useful. And how many, using the same technique, how many data you want to receive, you can receive it and you can make your own graphical user interface using Python. Okay, so this is the code, this is the complete code. Okay, this is the complete code. Thank you so much for watching, and hope it will be useful for you. Thank you so much.